Mr. Q is there. Big up, big
Mr.
up.
Q is still here.
Word
He's
up,
from work.
word
And
up.
we have someone here special.
Yes.
Her name is,
Sister Puma.
Umakati.
and she's Muhammad Hadi is representative of a queen. So you're the only queen in the family?
Yes. I am the only queen in this family.
Who did your hair?
Who did I do what?
Who did your hair?
Some girl called Brenda.
How much did it cost to do your hair?
It's 150 pula.
That would be 10 US?
About $15.
$150. $15 to do your hair?
$15. More.
Whoa, it's like 700 pula
No.
in America to do your hair. Or sometimes,
$70.
I don't want
and sometimes 1,000 pula
That's $100 just
Yes.
to do a
to
hairstyle?
do your hair.
Holy moly.
And you paid 10 pula.
$15.
So we should just have all the Americans come to do their hair and fly back.
Yes.
Oh, this is
yes,
beautiful.
Yes.
This is one of the most beautiful things I've seen since I've been here.
Thank you.
And you're beautiful too.
Thank you.
Is this why?
Thank
Do
you.
you know about 4,000 people going to see you? So you're a queen.
I'm the queen here. I'm the firstborn of the family. Yes. That's why I was called a queen.
Ah, are your other sisters jealous of you?
A little
They
bit.
are jealous, of course, yes.
Because of your beauty or the fact that
Because
you're...
I'm beautiful.
I
And they
see.
always complain about my nose because it's not like
Oh, it's
they say
African.
it's African.
It's
Oh.
not pointed.
It's not pointed nose.
So they have pointed nose.
My wife has a
Yes,
pointed
all of
nose.
them.
Oh,
My wife has a pointed nose.
you're right.
Like
Ah,
No way.
Paulo also has a young pointed nose. It was getting
it's
there.
gonna be excited.
Me, I got a bald head.
So you're from GT, we know
Yeah,
that.
I'm from GT.
And you've blended in nicely with the crew.
Yeah. This is my little boy.
That's the little boy.
Here's how it's going. Come today.
Welcome
Queen.
to the
What are you
African
wearing?
family.
Queen.
Wonderful. Now, let's talk about the meal here. Let's see if there's a light. I can turn up the brightness here a little. I'm in Botswana, one of the most peaceful country in the world. And we're saying that Botswana is the most
Peaceful.
beautiful and the best country in the world. This is our mission to prove that this is the best country in the world. So, if you wanted to prove that Botswana is the best country in the world, what would you say?
One thing that I love most about my country, we love peace. We are very humble people, very cultured, and very loving. Those are the most important, most important things that I do appreciate about my country.
If you were to describe a woman from Botswana, what would that be? You want
Did
me
you
to
take
do
the
the
little
full?
youth man?
Okay.
You take out this little youth man all the time, boy?
Yeah, man. How you doing, bro?
Big up,
Give me a
JD.
high five.
Uncle high five.
JD.
You're representing. Yeah.
Food looks good. We're gonna pick up the conversation. We're going to
Right,
the food.
this is the
Okay.
food here. Typical
Wow.
supper time.
Okay, so what is
Pap.
this? Is this mashed potatoes?
No,
No.
this is
This is pap.
maize meal.
Maize meal.
Maize meal, or what you call it, cornmeal.
Oh, it's cornmeal, but
Yeah,
why
this
is
is
it?
cornmeal, white, the white one.
Is it
You
processed?
use- yes,
They
refined,
took the color out.
refined cornmeal.
Not a good thing.
Yeah. This is refined cornmeal. You know about it being yellow.
Yes. So why didn't they keep it yellow?
No, this is a refined one.
Oh, that's not good for you guys.
It's very good.
It's very,
It's very
very
good.
good.
But it's refined. It's processed. Anything
Yeah.
processed and not natural is not good.
But it is good. It's okay for us.
We're gonna have to
That
do
is
some
what we have
research
grown up
on
on. I got 19 years eating this.
19 years.
Yeah. Eating this one. So,
What is it? What's it called?
maize milli meal.
Miss Mini Me?
Milli meal. Milli meal.
Why don't they just call it cornmeal?
Yeah, for to be on the safe side, you can call
Oh,
it
we're doing a lot of stuff here. This is funky tonight.
This is chicken.
So now tell us what's in the veggies.
We've put in carrot. There's carrot,
and onion,
onion,
and garlic.
green pepper, That's it. Only 3 veggies.
and one vegetable called Morocco.
Yeah, it's a vegetable.
It's
And
a
the chicken is just taking out the...
Boneless.
boneless chicken.
And then did you season it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you baked it first?
No,
No,
just
we
boil
boiled
it.
it.
Steaming.
You boil the chicken first?
Yes.
A little bit of oil or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah,
A
just
little
a
bit
bit
of
of-
oil,
So
salt.
this is kind of like shredded chicken.
Something like
Yeah.
that, yes.
You could probably put this in a patty and invent your own patty.
Yeah.
Or
Let
it
me
could,
see
it
if
could
one of
work. This probably could work with a fat cake.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
of course,
chicken.
yeah, like a burger.
Yeah.
Like a burger.
You know, in Trinidad they have
Trinidad,
this.
yes, I know, yeah.
This would be great as a fat cake.
Like patties.
Now that I'm Jamaican, I would probably put some
Patty is what they
put
call
some fresh
here,
onions in that too.
Patties in Caribbean is what they call here samosas.
Samosas.
Mm,
Yeah.
samosas.
It would be great with samosa.
Actually, they put this in samosas also. The same process.
So this baby here is gonna eat some of this too.
Not for now. A little bit of he's gonna munch. He's called a
He
munch.
doesn't like to chew, so mostly we give him like soft things like porridge, potatoes, and baby cereals and all this.
Yes.
This is pretty good.
Ready. It's ready.
Very nice.
Ready to be served.
This is typical supper, African style.
You said supper.
African style.
What
Yes.
time is it now?
This is the time we have supper.
But
What time is it now?
This is early.
This
This is still early. I
is
think it's just tonight.
tonight.
What time is it?
Let's say
No,
it's
we
9.
don't eat this with a fork.
Nine.
It's 9.
Yes, it's 9.
So you call dinner supper?
Which one comes first, supper or dinner? This one is dinner. Yeah, dinner.
Come on, sit up, honey.
So do you eat dinner at 9 or 7?
The fourth.
Dinner. Which one is the last meal?
If it-
Dinner.
if-
Dinner. Yeah, we eat dinner at 11.
11 p.m.?
Yeah.
So there's going to be something after this?
No. For now, they're gonna be munches after this.
You can choose to eat with the hand.
Mm.
You can choose to eat it with
But
the
it's nicer with the hand.
But he has to try it.
With the hand.
So
you are
have to
teaching
try with
today,
the hand.
no
I'll
fork.
teach you. You sit here next to me. I'll teach you.
No fork for you.
No. My nails are not cut yet.
No, you're gonna cut your nail and all of that to eat this. It doesn't get in your nail. I'll teach you how to eat it. I'm the master anyway.
Okay.
Okay, let me just do this.
Then you wash your hands. Then you
Wash
can
your
come
hands.
back.
But let it cool a bit because it's a bit hot.
You wash your hands. They have to be clean. You see? They have to be clean.
Queen,
So,
can you please hold the camera for me?
Where's the tripod?
It's right here. Set up the tripod. You have to do a family. I have to get the kisses. Don't let it drop, Queen.
Ladies, we don't have it.
All right, please.
Baby, can you move this chair and put it here so Ron can sit there? Because JD won't move. I know. Plate that JD guy.
Oh, here I am. My hands are washed, African wash.
yes.
And I'm about to put these fingers in some African food. It's Ron again. Normally I'm not in front of the camera, but I'm here with my African buddies from Botswana. They're beautiful people and they create beautiful food. This is my first dinner and we're about to get busy with this. Q is here, the baby's here.
Which way we should put it up here? Yeah, here will be a nice place to mount it.
Yeah.
Let it mount it.
What?
We drop this a bit.
Baby, can you move the
Let's drop this a bit. Like this.
Just look at it. Gotta look at JD.
chair? Mama, he's also in.
This is yours.
So we're gonna get a lot of ice in the juice, right?
Yes, of course. Loud ice.
We're not gonna be stingy with the ice, right? Because
Where's the
we Jamaicans, we like it nice and cool.
Let's set it up now.
Can you turn off the TV, please?
Like down or up?
Just turn it off. We don't want other cultures to be intruding on our culture. There we go. So now let's do a
Chili.
Yes, can I have that, please?
This is granny pepper sauce.
granny pepper sauce.
Yeah, no, Nando's pepper sauce. Please switch me there.
Yes,
yesterday.
So wait a minute. You're gonna eat with your hands, but you're gonna put pepper sauce in there?
We all gonna eat with our hands.
And you put pepper sauce in there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for a little bit flavor. if you-
And what you're gonna do with your hands? Then put your hands in your eyes.
No, after you finish,
you
you
wash.
wash your hands again. You gotta wash your hands.
Oh, this is mine, right?
Forget, yeah,
Yeah.
that's yours.
Come on, did you?
All right. Oh, let's see.
Fifi,
So
nothing
you
for you,
like-
why?
I like
Wait.
your chairs.
You
Yeah.
didn't play.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh, there's my big head. Oh.
Yeah, mine is there.
let's pray.
Yeah.
To warm it.
She did, but we can eat cold food.
I bet the passion nice pop.
Let's see here.
We don't actually.
Well, not
I
everyone
want,
is in there.
it should show as you
Oh,
take
me?
from
Am I the
food.
star tonight?
Yes, I want to see you taking the pop. You
Okay,
actually
so.
bite and then you like.
Oh, it's kind of
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So you like check.
You squeeze it, you have to do like a whole.
Massage.
Oh, wow.
And then you create something with a thumb. You create where you
Like a
can.
spoon. Hold the thing nice now, buddy.
Okay.
Mm.
It's just like eating, what's it called?
Mashed potato.
Ethiopian food.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that.
Injera. You had it in Cape Town?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mmm.
You
It's
see?
good.
Yeah, then you mix with your veggies and your meat.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the rest should
Very
be
good.
easy.
My first African home cooked meal.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Jenny?
No. But this is more kind of African because I'm using my hands.
Mm-hmm.
I was expecting one central dinner plate we all dip our hands into.
No, no.
You
That
guys.
one is
Nigerians
Indian.
they do that.
That
yeah.
is Indian.
And Nigerians.
Mmm. Very good.
Veggie chilies.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm getting down.
So this is typically dinner, African dinner.
Oh,
90% of the household eat this.
how come you're eating rice in this? You don't like that?
This one, she's a white woman. She doesn't eat this thing.
She's from the prey side.
So now, what other, do you guys make soup?
Mm-hmm. Like for rice?
Mm-hmm.
Of course. Wait, Mr. JD, you throw back in this meeting too? Sir, tell her.
Check.
This is cool. So we get some rum and put in this?
Hmm? Yeah, if you want. Then cheese with the rum.
Natasha.
Juice.
It's really good.
I'm not a friend of.
From here, I'm going to my house and sleep. Just to sleep. No cooking, no nothing.
Do you come over often for
Meals.
meals?
Yeah.
So you just come eat and then.
Yam go away.
Oh.
This one is yam go away. One, number two, yam go away.
What is nyam?
Or so now
That's
I'm
good.
Nyam
okay
going
now.
alright.
Alright, but then who cooked this meal for you? Your wife? No, she doesn't even know how to cook this.
Whoa, whoa.
Thank you.
What pap?
Those are,
Yeah, I
those
don't know
are-
how to cook pap.
Those are fighting words.
She's still learning how to cook pap.
She didn't pay attention to mom?
But the best cook in the family,
Is the queen?
followed by
Wifey.
then 0. Serious.
My wife.
1, 2, 0.
Really? Tyler, they knocked you out of the court?
She can't say anything. She cannot say a word.
The only thing she knows is in the field. She can do
No,
the
that
field-
one,
the
yes.
field
No.
job,
So she could do-
driving and this kind of stuff.
And those
Putting
physical
something, let me
exercise,
say,
what.
the dish on the
I
on
hear
the
Tyler
thing.
drives a truck also.
Yeah.
Wow.
That one is number 1.
No, those type of things.
Who
Yeah.
was the
we-
tomboy in the family?
yeah.
She
She
is.
is.
Oh, okay.
If you want to fix our TV, a decode something,
Oh,
she's the one who's going up.
wow.
But I cooked today.
In the kitchen,
0?
No.
But But nowadays she tries.
But then I
Wow.
cook.
No, she does.
All
There's
the
a
truth's
fight.
coming out.
There is a fight somewhere. She's in front.
A fight?
Yeah. Front, then we go at the back.
Physical
We
fight.
follow her.
Whoa, whoa, Tyler. No lady stuff, huh?
Look at this.
Truck driver, bike rider, tree climber, light bulb changer, and what else?
Defender.
Well, you guys have no brothers.
Yeah.
What are you laughing at, Johnny? What are you laughing at? Huh? Why?
Oh, taste it.
Okay.
What is hot?
No, it's bitter.
I'm just like mom.
pure
I'm
orange.
always the first to finish my food.
Yeah. In Botswana we call this one Madijo.
What is that?
Lovers of food, madam lover of
Oh,
food. That's just a joke, man.
so she's a
I
chef.
just ate so fast.
Okay. 'Cause you're a
Naturally.
queen. You have, queen bee usually they have to have a lot of kids and
Oi.
One day she's going to cook up for you. She can cook this one.
Okay.
She can.
Well, there's a couple of days left, so come over often.
I'll cook honey for you.
We should,
Just for that.
That's the perfect meal that we eat for
That one we
Christmas.
saw.
The
The
worm.
caterpillar.
what do you do? Oh. What
I
do
do
you,
have it at home.
But it's nice, eh? If she
It's
if
very
it's
nice.
nice.
what do you, when are you going to go to the market with us? I want someone who's the top cook to go to the market so we could choose different
And I
specialties.
always complain, if you can take me there, you will regret.
Problem we will,
Because
we will buy the
I'm
whole
using
shop.
my money to buy here. So I need to get proper stuff.
So
That's it.
we need
The whole
to.
shop.
So did we see the real market today? Like the real
We don't
like
have
veggie
such here.
market?
No,
We
they
don't
don't
have
have
such
it.
here.
Greens
No, we
market.
don't have.
They got it. When they
Market
were
where
fresh
you
out.
can actually sell vegetables. We
Everything.
don't have here.
So where do you get your vegetables?
From the supermarket.
From shops.
Like where we were in. That
Shoppies.
Bona empty. Look at empty.
Why Jamie wanna toba
Look at
kaya
empty.
sugar coast.
Empty.
You guys use tomatoes a lot?
No. The Ghanaians and the Nigerians do.
Do you have tomatoes here? Do
A lot.
Yeah, a lot of it.
they grow it?
But when you're cooking, you didn't use
Yeah.
You don't use tomatoes
No,
in
they
cooking?
don't like it a lot here.
not even.
The Ghanaians and the Nigerians, and it gives the food a bit of sour
Sour taste.
It's fermentation.
Mm.
You use ketchup?
No.
So what's your fermentation base? Like a sauerkraut, which is cabbage that overnight, cabbage that sits with vinegar?
Actually, they don't.
That's one of the reasons why it develops your stomach bigger. Every time you eat, you must have fermentation. Ketchup is, tomato is good, cabbage is good. You know that Roots bottle thing that the rest of them drink? The Roots, Baba Roots?
They don't know it.
Okay. So I want to find out what's in your diet that's fermentation, because then the entire country's not digesting properly. In Jamaica, we drink roots. But there must be something.
Not it.
Wow, so you guys don't like tomatoes? Wow.
Not at all.
When I tell them fry my eggs with tomatoes, it's a big
Abomination.
seed. My wife. Tell my wife she'll be laughing at me. She'll be just doing it because I told her to. But that
Yeah,
is all we do.
tomatoes we don't.
I
use,
don't
not
buy
at
it even
all.
in my house. I don't buy it.
So you didn't plant it when you were growing up or anything?
No, man.
You? No tomatoes for you?
I hate the peels of a tomato when you are cooking.
So we're going to have a tomato forceful eating. African tomato forceful. So, not a lot of fish around here.
No.
There's plenty of fish.
In the supermarket.
No, not those ones. Not the box one. Those there by the Tatakanete.
Okay, the live fish.
Yes, you get to see the live fish straight from the dam.
And you guys catch it and eat it?
They do catch it.
You see that slum we went in this morning? Across the road. They catch them from there because the dam is...
For the whole country?
Most of have already.
For who wants to eat? But we are not used to the fish. We eat only beef. That's the thing that
North
we eat.
side, they do eat fish.
Not a lot.
But not those
they
mountain,
do. They survive
We are
with
talking
fish.
about
Yeah.
country.
We are talking
No,
about
but
the
then I'm
country.
talking about the other part of.
But the country, yeah,
Botswana.
yes, I can buy fish because of him. But at mom's
Do
house,
you
they
use the
can't
phone
buy
around
fish.
dinner table? Isn't that like African
Etiquette.
illegal stuff?
No etiquette.
No, it's not. I'm way too addicted to my phone.
Back home is not allowed.
The problem is she stays alone, so I think she's so. The phone
Do you
is
have
the
a
friend.
cat? Can
Here
you
they
put
don't
yourself
have
in
pets,
the...
yes.
There she is.
Bend your hair.
That's the queen.
Hey, look at the cartoons. You finished the whole glass.
The whole of the
And then the
Caribbean
smell.
survives on
The
ram.
smell is amazing, right? It wasn't when I was over there. Come on, taste the rum.
That is the whole of the Caribbean. They survive on rum.
Yeah, man.
Here is brandy, okay? And whiskey.
Oh boy.
Brandy and whiskey.
It's
If
good.
you have flu,
Yeah, it's
it
good.
will just.
What?
And you also, you!
Come taste the rum, bro. Oh yeah, that's a nice vibe right there.
I will take you
Yeah,
to
it's
the
a good
ghetto
vibe.
where you see 15 guys drinking from one calabash.
What is Takani? There by the Takana there.
It's good.
Hey, you know anybody by the Takana?
Zola.
You know anybody by Zola?
No,
Or
just to
the
get into the ghetto.
spotter. The
I got some Havana Globo.
Havana.
I bought this all the way in Cape Town.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, my stomach is burning.
I shouldn't.
Yeah, same.
That's
Burning
one.
from what? From the rum?
Yeah. Well, I got some worms.
That's what's gonna help you digest the food. Little fermentation, yeah.
It's good.
You still burning?
Good.
You guys not used to rum?
No,
Good.
here they don't.
I'm not.
Good. Not with my phone, but
This was a good dinner.
You enjoyed
Very
it?
nice.
We should have bought ice cream. So we're going to the supermarket, big man?
When this time?
It's too late?
No, we go tomorrow.
What time is it now? Miss Nchupis.
Ah, this is the flavor of love, this rum right here.
They are closed.
So that is, it is for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll check out what we're gonna do. What's for breakfast? We didn't have any food for breakfast yet.
Breakfast, you can depend, you can do bread and your eggs. Or you
You
can
had our fresh traditional breakfast
Or you can
today.
eat that
Today
today
was
and
just
play.
African
no, let me
dish.
show you. Let me show you our traditional breakfast.
Actually, he had mutoko this morning.
And the other thing.
And strawberry.
And the sorobe.
Yep, and the cow
Sorobe, I don't
intestine.
like it. I don't like that thing. You know why?
Can I get a piece of that cake right there? I just have to have a little.
You know why? That's
Thank
the
you so
papa.
much. Oh,
You know
what's
why?
This? This is big
It's called
baked.
Baked, yeah.
Bakes, yeah.
And what do you put inside?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Say the
Just
ingredients
flour,
with
sugar,
with the
baking powder, a
And
bit
our
of salt.
sister
Back when we call
knows
this one?
And you
knows how
cook
to
it
make
in
it.
the
The
what you
papa.
call a lid of a big pot. We call it Waldo.
So you don't
That's
put
one.
you don't put any fish or anything in there?
No.
So it's just flour eaten with tea?
Yes.
Back home, what we call this?
You can eat it
call
with
it baked,
eggs.
Yeah, bakes.
Eggs.
So we're gonna try some salt. We're gonna take a couple of your bakes, but we're gonna cut it and put some saltfish in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to combine cultures and then slice some tomatoes and put them there too. You guys, since I'm eating what you talking about,
Yes.
tell me how it's
But that one, the problem now with that one, they'll be addicted to it.
What, when we set it up with
Yeah.
No problem. I can learn.
Put
Then
your
I will do
saltfish
it
and
after.
Yeah, so we want to get to the supermarket so we could all walk in the supermarket together and do a show.
Say tomorrow,
And
12 o'clock. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock,
I
everybody
won't
can
be
eat.
in.
But Q is gonna be, you won't be there?
Yeah.
Q, 12 o'clock. How's 12 o'clock?
I have a trip to Kenya tomorrow. I think I'll be available anytime after 5.
But then you could come and cook and cook the bake for us.
No,
No
she
problem.
can. I know most of the ingredients, so if I forget something, definitely I'll ask her.
What I would love to do is to set up a plan for different dishes every different day. So we
Yeah.
could purchase what we need and for
Then we
breakfast
can
too.
do-
I want to kind of create a cuisine to teach the world Botswana culture. Yeah, yeah.
What else can we prepare? Like,
You know,
let's
especially
prepare
now that
a
we
bit
know
of
you're the master
different
chef.
varieties.
So what time do you leave work?
Tomorrow I think it will be anytime after 5.
Good. So just be here with your apron, and we'll start the show.
Then
No
we can do a
problem.
It's
bonfire.
amazing.
Then we can do the bonfire tomorrow.
A bonfire back at the house here?
No,
Where? In the
here,
front?
just
Yeah.
in front.
Do
And
you
then
have a container you burn it in, or you just?
Not in the
we'll
container.
organize.
Where
Not
do
in
we-
the
where do we
container.
get the
We
wood?
do it in an open space.
Space.
Like,
Then we just gather. So
yeah,
Nice.
then we just gather
And you
around.
play the local music,
yeah.
Yes, then I can.
and you guys dance with like fire and spit fire out your mouth. No.
No! What you call limbo? Limbo. We don't.
They
do
don't
the
even
limbo.
know how to do those things here.
We don't do the limbo.
We're gonna have to learn because I have a limbo stick.
Jesus.
We use a selfie stick as a
No, we
limbo.
will try with this
That's the
one.
limbo, and then you'll see, hey, I'll go down. Yeah, I'll go down. Definitely.
Yo, Q, I have to get you some reggae to liven up the place.
Pardon?
I have to get you some reggae.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Of course, you must have.
It's food. Q,
Hello.
did you enjoy the food?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, the food was great. Company was even better. It's Ronnie. Thank you guys for watching. Check us out tomorrow what we cooking. Botswana.
out.
Everything good looking. Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.